Good morning, Bobby. Time to wake up for school.
Mom, I don't feel good.
What's wrong, sweetie?
My head hurts, and my throat feels bad.
Oh no. You feel warm. Let me get the thermometer.
Do I have to go to school?
No, not today. You need to rest. Stay in bed, okay? You have a fever. It's not very high, but you're sick.
Am I going to the hospital?
No, no hospital. We'll watch you first. Can you drink some water?
Okay, Mom.
Good. Drink slowly. I'll call your school now. Hello, this is Anna, Bobby's mom. He's sick today. He can't come to school. Thank you. Yes, I'll let you know. Goodbye. All done. The school knows you're resting at home.
Thanks, Mom.
Let me check. You have a fever, but it's not too high. You're breathing okay. No throwing up.
My throat still hurts.
I think we should call our family doctor. Not the hospital, just our doctor.
Okay.
Let me make an appointment.
Good morning, Family Health Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Anna. My son Bobby is sick. Can we see the doctor today?
Sure. What are his symptoms?
He has a fever and a sore throat. He's been resting all morning.
Okay. We have an opening at 2 p.m. today. Does that work?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Great. See you at 2 p.m.
Bobby, drink some more water. The doctor will see you at 2 o'clock.
Okay, Mom. Can I watch cartoons?
Yes, but only for a little while. You need to rest your eyes too.
I'm really tired.
That's okay. Sleep if you want. I'll wake you before we leave. Bobby, wake up. It's time to go see the doctor.
Already?
Yes. Let's put on your jacket. It's a little cold outside.
I still feel tired.
I know. The doctor will help you feel better. Come on.
Hi. You must be Bobby. Please sign in here.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
Just a few minutes. Please have a seat.
Mom, I'm nervous.
Don't worry. Dr. Martinez is very nice. She'll just check you.
Bobby, we're ready for you now.
That's me.
Come this way, please. How are you feeling today?
Not so good. My throat hurts.
Dr. Martinez will help you. Just sit right here.
Hello, Bobby. Hello, Anna. What's going on today?
I don't feel good. My head hurts and my throat is sore.
I see. When did this start?
This morning. He also has a small fever.
Okay, let me take a look. Open your mouth, Bobby. Say, ah.
Ah.
Good job. Now let me listen to your breathing. Breathe in and out. Good. Again.
Like this?
Perfect. Your breathing sounds fine.
What do you think it is, doctor?
It looks like a common viral infection. Nothing serious.
So I'm okay?
Yes, you just need rest and water. No shots, no hospital.
What should I do at home?
Make sure he drinks a lot of water. Let him rest. If the fever goes up, call us.
Okay. Should he take any medicine?
Yes. This is for the fever and pain. You can pick it up at the pharmacy.
When can I go back to school?
Maybe in 2 or 3 days. Just rest for now.
Thank you so much, Dr. Martinez.
You're welcome. Feel better soon, Bobby.
Okay, we're home. Let's get you back to bed.
Can I sit here instead?
Sure. Let me get you some water and your medicine.
I'm really tired, Mom.
I know. Take this medicine first. Then you can sleep.
It tastes bad.
Drink water. That will help. I'm making some soup for you, Bobby. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
It's almost ready. Just something light for your stomach.
It smells good.
Here you go. Eat as much as you can.
Thank you, Mom. I feel a little better.
Good. Finish your soup, then go to bed. How do you feel now?
Better. My head doesn't hurt so much.
Good. Your fever is going down. You just need sleep now.
Will I be okay tomorrow?
You'll feel better every day. Just rest, okay?
Okay, Mom. Good night.
Good night, sweetie. I'll check on you later. Still no fever. You're doing great. Rest well, Bobby. Tomorrow will be better. When your child is sick, starting with rest and fluids at home is often helpful. For medical advice, your family doctor is a great first point of contact to decide the best care. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Your support helps us keep making videos like this. Thank you for watching.